Hey guys, RJ here. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be doing block shapes. You guys have been sending me requests on how to use the block.setShape function, and I've got the tutorial right here for you guys. There is a trick in here to make the block transparent. I think that might be the reason why you guys are asking me to do a block shape tutorial, so you guys can figure out how to make the block transparent. So yeah, let's get started here. And the function we're going to be using here is block.setShape. And it's going to have the block ID, the minimum X, I'm going to explain to you guys what that is, the minimum Y, the minimum Z, maximum X, maximum Y, maximum Z. So you guys need to know what those mean. By the way, I'm only writing these down just to show you guys what each parameter is. It's not, you should not keep the code exactly the way that I have it right now, because we're going to change them to numbers anyway. But remember, these are just I don't know what to call them. They're just a way for me to show you guys what the parameter is. It's not code at all. Okay. So we're just gonna set. I already defined a block up here with the destroy time, and the name is custom block, and it uses a dirt texture. So that's all you guys need to know about that. So I'm gonna teach you guys exactly what the minimum, maximum X, Y's, and Z's is. This will actually help you guys a lot. With mob modeling. This is a good way to start out with creating different shapes of boxes, because you're gonna need to know how to create the size of the box, and this is a good example for that. So yeah, let's get started. I said so many times. Okay, so what you're gonna need to do is you need to know how big you want your block to be. I try not to make it bigger than one whole block, but if you guys want it to be bigger than one whole block, you can do that, but I'm not sure how that will work out. Depends on what you want the block to do. But what you're going to need to do is you just need to figure out how big you want your block to be. Alright, so I want my block actually to be about, let's say, 14 pixels wide and 14 pixels in length, and then 16 whole pixels in height. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So the minimum I actually want my block to actually start out from the center and just go out, but that's not gonna work out. So you want your block to actually you want the game to know when to start creating your block, which area. So you want it to kind of concave in. You guys will get it once I start coding. So we want the block to be 2 pixels in. To start 2 pixels in, so that is the minimum, 216. I'm going to leave the minimum Y at 0 pixels. It's gonna start out right at the bottom. Then this one's going to be 2 out of 16. Yeah, it's going to go in 2 out of 16. Now the maximum. This is where the block stops being made or being rendered or created. So what you need to do is, you guys will get this in a second once I type it in, 14 out of 16. That's because now the block actually it went in and started creating at the second pixel or third pixel, I think, and it goes on and stops at the 14. Once it keeps counting on, goes on to 14, and then it stops, and then there's just empty space on the outsides. 2 pixels of empty space on the outsides. That's technically what it is. And then we're going to go ahead and put the maximum Y is 1, and the maximum Z is 14 out of 16 as well. So I'm going to show you guys how that works out. So yeah, Go ahead, manage mod PE scripts, import local storage. We're gonna go to mod school right here. Well, okay. Let me turn down my volume real quick. We'll go to here. So I am using MCPE. So we're gonna go ahead and give ourselves 181. No. 64 of that. Alright. So now we have the custom block right here. Alright. So now if you place it down, you can actually see the transparency right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. And yeah, just show you guys. It's a trick. It's a trick. It's not really a way to implement it. I mean, it's not completely implemented. It is a trick in coding. So I'm going to show you guys how to do that. As you guys see here, it's actually made the sand transparent. I'll show you guys how that works. So I'll just place down sand right here. And you can't see that part of the sand because it's not transparent. Or is it transparent or not? I can't tell. The block is transparent, but the block, it's never mind. Let's just go into how to make it so it doesn't do that glitch. So what you want it to do is actually take in the material. So like all the sounds, all the tools. This is gonna be that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. We're gonna do material, and I'm gonna do like true/false. If you want it to be transparent. This is not talking about what you mean. And yeah, that's. And then it's gonna take in the render type. So we're not gonna get into block render types. We'll get into that once custom render types come in, which is what Byte and a Half is working on. Okay, so the material we're just gonna put in 3. Yeah, that's 3. That's the material of dirt. So all the sounds, all the tools, that's what's gonna take in. We want it to be transparent, yeah. Okay, and the render type is gonna be a door, which is 7. So you just save that. We'll go into Block Launcher and load up the script. Alright, and it'll fix the glitch where it makes the block next to it a little abnormal. But now it shouldn't affect it. Alright, see there, it's not really doing anything to the block next to it. And yes, how it looks like in the hotbar now does look different. It's because it's a door. It's using the door's render type, and the game doesn't know how to render its GUI. So this is all there is to it, guys. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you have not already. And I will see you guys later. Peace out.